Welcome back, learners. As you know, this is the third video from our MATLAB series, and we will learn about some more commands and mathematical operation which are used in MATLAB. So, without further ado, let's start. Today, we will learn about the division operation. First, let's assign some values to variables a, b. A equals to 2 and b equals to 3. While c equals to a divided by b. For division, we will use the forward and backward slash. Now, let's run it and see the results. We will perform the division again with same values. But this time, we will be using backward slash. Let's see the difference between forward and backward slash. If we use forward slash, that means a upon b, while using backward slash will mean b upon a. Even though the values remain same, we get different answers. There are times when even this little mistake can create some big problems, because the variables remain at their places. It's just the difference of slash. Now, second command we will learn is the date command. Through this, the user can easily know about the date which MATLAB knows from your device. And third is the calendar command. Through this, the user can easily know about the current month's complete calendar. This is all for today, learners. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Till then, take care and stay tuned for more upcoming content.